The next question, limit x tends to 2 plus step x whole cube by 3 minus step x by 3 whole cube is equals to. So what is this value? So in the given question we have the term step x, but what is step x here? So first let us discuss about the step x. So step x means this is the greatest integer function. Now how to find those values? For example, if I take the value x is equals to 1.2, then what is step x value? Step 1.2 is equal to greatest integer number involved in this number. That is the definition of the step x function. Greatest integer number involved in this number. So 1.2, what is integer here? Integer is equal to 1. 0.2 is the real number, real part. So here step of 1.2 is equal to 1 plus 0.2. 1 is the integral part, 0.2 is the real part. So what is the greatest integer function here? 1. So answer is equal to 1. Step of 1.2 is equal to 1. And this is equals to. Suppose step of 2.4. Step of 2.4 is equal to 2. Just only take the integral part, that is 2. What about the negative values? For example, minus 1.2. Minus 1.2 is equals to minus 2. Here we don't take the first value in case of the negative numbers. Here we subtract one number from this number, that is minus 1, minus 2. Example, this is taken as minus 2 plus 0.8. Minus 2 plus 0.8 is equal to minus 1.2. Now the greatest integer involved in this number is equal to minus 2. This is all about the step function. Step function or greatest integer function. So this is the definition. Now coming to the given question. What is the given question? Limit x tends to 2 plus step x whole cube by 3 minus step x by 3 whole cube. X tends to 2 plus. X tends to 2 plus means we take the value more than 2. That is just 2.1. So here I use the value x is equal to 2.1. Now what is step 2.1 value? Step 2.1 whole cube by 3 minus step of 2.1 by 3 whole cube. X tends to 2 plus. 2 plus means we take the value which is nearly close to 2 and more than 2 value. So I take the value 2.1. Now what is step 2.1 value? Already here I told about this one, how to find that value. Step 2.4 is equals to 2. Step 2.1 is equals to 2. Okay, 2.1 greatest integer 2. That is 2 cube by 3 minus. So here we want the step value of this total value. So first we take the simplification of this number. This is cancelled by 0.7 times. Okay, step x by 3 whole cube. We want the total value, step value to the total value. That is, this value is equal to 0.7 whole cube. What is step 0.7 value? What is the greatest integer here? That is equal to 0. So 0 whole cube. 0 whole cube is equal to 0. So answer is equal to 8 by 3. That is the third option. Okay, you know the formula of the step function here, and after applying that formula you can find the required answer. That is the procedure. That's all. Next question. If f of x is equal to step x minus 3 plus mod x minus 4, then what is the value of the limit x tends to 3 minus f of x? X tends to 3 minus. We want to find this value. What is 3 minus? 3 minus means we take the values which are less than 3. 3 minus means we take the values less than 3. That is x less than 3. So here we use the values x less than 3 means I take the value is equal to 2.9. X less than 3. 3 minus. 3 minus means we take the value less than 3. That is just I take the value less than 3 and close to 3. That is 2.9. That is very close to 3. 2.9. Now what is step of x minus 3? The given question is limit x tends to 3 minus f of x. So limit x tends to 3 minus f of x is equals to, what is first value? Limit x tends to 3 minus f of x value, step of x minus 3 plus mod x minus 4. So I take that x is equal to 2.9 here. Okay. I take that x is equal to 2.9. Now what is 2.9 minus 3 step value? 2.9 minus 3 is equal to minus 0.1. And what is minus 0.1 value? Already I told that how to find the integral value to the negative values. Just adding minus 1 to this number. Here what is the integral part? 0. Since here we have the minus sign, just taking that minus 1 adding to this number, that is minus 1. 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. How to take the values? Minus 1.2. What is the answer? Minus 2. Minus 10.1. What is the answer? Minus 11. Like that. Just adding minus 1 to this number. Here what we have? Minus 0.1. So answer is equal to minus 1. Like that. This way we can find the value. So the first part is equal to minus 1 here. Plus. So x tends to 3 minus means x less than 3. X less than 3, then what is mod x minus 4 value? So here we take the number which is less than 4. Suppose 2.9. 2.9 minus 4. 2.9 minus 4 means which returns the value? Minus 1.1. Minus 1.1 means this is the less than 0. This is the value less than 0. So we take that the value of mod of x minus 4 is equal to minus of x minus 4. When if it returns the positive value, then mod x minus 4 is equal to plus x minus 4. But it returns the value less than 0. So we take that mod x minus 4 is equal to minus of x minus 4. Now replacing that value here. So this is equals to minus of x minus 4. That is minus 1 minus 6 plus 4. But what is x value? Here we take that x is equal to 3. That is minus 1 minus 3 plus 4 is equal to 0. So answer is equal to 0 and this is the third option. Very simple. X tends to 3 minus means just we take the number very close to 3 and less than 3. That's all. So we take the number 2.9 and replacing that value and finding the step function value and modulus value and replacing the x limit. That's all. Here we replace only 3 only. When we have the step x function modulus value, then only we take the value 2.9. But here we have the single x value, then directly we take the limit value. Here we don't take the 2.9 like that. When we have the step function or modulus function, at these places only we take that x is equal to 2.9. At these places only we consider this 3 minus. But in case of the single x, we take directly x is equal to 3. Okay. Only if you listen the difference carefully. This is very important model. How to find the step x value. How to find the modulus value. In case of the left hand limit and right hand limit cases. Okay. This is important. Very important. Next question. Limit x tends to 0 e power x minus e power sin x by 2 into x minus sin x. Very easy question. Single step answer. So this is equals to just applying the formula. So first I take that e power sin x common from the numerator. Okay. Taking e power sin x common from the numerator. Now what is the first value? E power x by e power sin x. There is no e power sin x in the first value to take common. So we apply that by e power sin x. So first taking e power sin x common from the numerator. There is no e power sin x to the first value. So we take that e power x by e power sin x minus 1. Okay. So check here, when we multiply the values here, then what we get? E power sin x into e power x by e power sin x. These two terms are cancelled. So first value is equals to e power x and e power sin x into 1 is equal to e power sin x. Okay, like that. This is equals to whole by 2 into x minus sin 2x and equals to limit x tends to 0 e power sin x into this is equals to e power x minus sin x. Why? Because a power m by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. Just subtracting the powers. A power e power x minus sin x whole by 2 into x minus sin x. Now separating the limit value. So this is equals to limit x tends to 0 e power sin x into limit x tends to 0 e power x minus sin x minus 1 by, so e power sin x by 2. Limit x tends to 0 e power sin x by 2. Limit x tends to 0. The remaining value is e power x minus sin x minus 1 by x minus sin x. So here sin x tends to 0 is nothing but x tends to sin x. X tends to 0 means x is equal to 0. At the same time sin x is equal to 0. So we can change the limit value like that also. That is x minus sin x tends to 0. X tends to sin x means x minus sin x tends to 0. Now clearly this is in the form of limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1 by x. What is e power x minus 1 by x value? Answer is equal to 1 here. So this total part answer is equal to 1. And what is this? Replacing x is equal to 0. Sin 0 is equal to 0. E power 0 is equal to 1. So answer is equals to 1 by 2 into 1. That is equals to 1 by 2. That's all. This is the direct formula. E power x minus 1 by x is equals to 1.